Hey guys, it's TechGenie back again. I just wanted to let you know, I'm sorry if we haven't uploaded the video for a couple of weeks. We just finished our exams now, so we're back and able to do some videos for you guys. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install the XPOSED installer. I'm currently on Android KitKat, but this will work on most Android versions. You will need to be rooted, but let's get into the video. Okay, so if you look at my lock screen now, you can see that it's kind of transparent and you can see what's going on in the background. This is one of the advantages of using the XPOSED installer and an example of what you can use it for. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to get the XPOSED installer onto your phone. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go into your settings and you want to scroll down to security. Okay, and then in security you want to scroll down and you want to check unknown sources. Okay, so once you've done that, you then want to go into your web browser and you want to type in XPOSED. Once you've done XPOSED, click on the top link and then scroll down. There is a link that says download. Click on that and it will start to download. So you can see now my notifications is downloaded. So what I want to do now is just click on it, open it and press install. If you haven't checked unknown sources, then it won't let you install this. Another thing, if it doesn't let you install, if it says can't open file, I'll show you another quick web browser that will let you do this. So if you go and you install Opera web browser, and you can do the same thing from there. Once you've clicked the download, if you go into this little circle here and it shows you all your downloads, it will then let you install it from that web browser. So that's just a second party web browser that would work definitely if your stock browser doesn't. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to then go into your downloads and you want to click on the XPOSED installer APK, and then you want to click install. Okay, so what XPOSED installer does is it allows you to install separate little modifications for your phone. So for example, if you look at my you can't really see it, but if you look at my notifications drawer, it's kind of transparent. You can see all the stuff down below it. If you look at my lock screen, like I mentioned earlier, it shows you, it's kind of blurred through so you can see all the stuff going on behind it. So that looks really nice. So these are just some examples of what you can use it for. However, once you've installed XPOSED installer, go onto it and press open. This will not work immediately. You have to allow root permissions for it and then just install the framework before it will actually work. Right. Okay, so once you've opened it, you want to click on this tab here that says framework. All this does really is the stuff that allows you, ignore this message, it basically just tells you to be careful, but that's mainly what you do when you're doing anything to do with a rooted phone. What this framework does is it allows you to install mods and let them work on your phone. So this is basically letting your phone, so let it access super user. Okay, so we want to click on remember this choice forever and allow. So once you've done this, it will ask you to reboot your phone. Then once you've rebooted your phone, we'll come back. Okay, so once you've done rebooting, your phone is now ready to install some mods and get started with XPOSED. So what you want to do to install them is you want to click on download and type in, so you can search through them, you can just scroll through and there are thousands and thousands of different mods. Not all of them will work for your phone, but it depends what version of Android you're on. Oops. So if I just give you an example just to get started with, if I type in XPOSED Preferences Injector. So if I click on this one, I already have it installed, but what you want to do is you want to scroll along to versions and you want to click on download. So let that download and it will say install this app, so you click on install, and then once it's done installing, you're ready to go. So some of these apps that you install don't actually have an app on your home screen. It's just kind of like a little mod that works within your phone, so there's no UI within the app. So once you've done that and you've installed this, you want to go back and you want to click on your modules. So this is just a list of all the different things that you've installed. So the one that we've just installed is XPOSED Preference Injector. So what this does is it puts all of your modules within settings. So I'll show you what that looks like. But once you've done that, check it. So just to allow the mod to work, and then go back into framework and just click on soft reboot. So click on soft reboot and then just reboot. So all this does is it just reboots your phone. Okay, so once you've rebooted your phone, all of your mods are now ready to go. So if I show you what this mod does, assuming that you've already got some other mods installed. Okay, so what this mod does that I just told you to install is it gets all of your different mods that you would install in the future. It just kind of sorts them and orders them, puts them in one place. So here it's got a tab that says Exposed Modules, and these are all the different ones that I have installed on my phone. So then what you can do is you can just open them from there, click on Settings, go into it and open it from there. So they're all in one place, and then if you want to, so they're not hanging about on your home screen and everything, you can just hide them. So I've got this thing called App Hider, and all I've done is I've hidden all of my modules. So they're not there on my phone, you can't see them, but I can access them from my settings. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, let me know in the comments, because I'm going to do, if you want a video on how to get this look on your phone where it's all blurred, and also the same thing with the lock screen, so you can get that blurred as well. So guys, that's just a quick video on how to get started with Exposed Installer. So yeah, good luck guys, have a play about with it, and then let me know what sort of things you guys are installing.